Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today we are going over an improvement for purchasing. So with the introduction to Inksoft to our system, we're able to generate POs. Now those POs get generated, and then we have to manually email them to our vendors. So we're going to compose a new email here. Now previously I would go in and type in orders at sanmar.com, and then I would CC purchasing at Kaizink. And then I would go ahead and fill out the subject, which would be something like new PO, and then an order number. And then down in the body, I would type something like, hello, please see attached PO for a new order. If possible, can all this ship from the same warehouse? If not, can you please let purchasing at Kaizink know? And then I would have the address to where it would ship to, and thank you, have a great day. Now this was something I was typing every single time, which there's obviously a lot of waste in there. So I went ahead and created a template. So we would compose a new email, and then we're going to click on these three dots here. We're going to go to templates, new PO for Sanmar. And so the first thing we're going to do is address what's in red. And these are the recipients. So we're just going to do a Control X to copy those and then paste them up into the recipients. So at this point here, we would replace this with how we want this package to be received. So we could say something like EMB for embroidery, and then the order number, something along those lines. Now you can see we've got these same series of X's up here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut these, or I'm sorry, not cut them, copy them, and I'm just going to kind of replace this whole section here. So just new PO, and then what we want our PO or attention number to be. And at this point, all we need to do is just grab the PDF PO from our downloads folder, drag and drop it in, and we're good to send it off, eliminating quite a bit of motion over processing. And now we just have a nice standardized email that goes out to our vendors. Thanks for watching.